Think about how many times you've forgotten to charge your smartphone and the battery has run out right when you've needed it. We are Infinity Links, and our mission is to simplify your life. Meet Wave, the world's smallest and sleekest cable bracelet. Wave is a true combination of fashion and technology, and best of all, we now have compatibility with USB-C devices, iPhone devices, and also micro USB. Wrapped in genuine braided leather with the ultimate craftsmanship, combined with our high-grade metallic build, you're able to charge your devices on the go in the most convenient way. We have crafted this just like any piece of jewelry from the ground up. After working on several different prototypes and reducing our original size by over 50%, Wave is now extremely lightweight and thin, making for a comfortable fit on the wrist, and due to its small form factor, at first glance, you would not even notice this is a charging bracelet. Our magnetic design means that you'll be able to conveniently attach the bracelet with no hassle at all, as it will simply clip in place with a light pull. It will reveal the charger, allowing you to sync and charge your devices at the fastest possible speeds. Combined with our wide selection of colors, there's an option to match any outfit. You'll never have to worry about wasting your time finding a tangled cable at the bottom of your bag. And best of all, you'll always have a charging cable at arm's length. Literally.